Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unboxing for you. Now this is a new to me company, so this is my first look at it. Some of you may not have ever heard of this company or seen any of their products. I'm real curious to see what this actually looks like. So before I get into opening this, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you watching, commenting, liking. And if you haven't subscribed already, please feel free to do so. It doesn't cost you anything. And I'm always coming out with some kind of video. Whether it is an unboxing, a occasional whip and chat, a post review, me working on my miniatures, or Amazon reviews. So you just never know what you're going to see on my channel. But I do appreciate each and every one of you. I really, really do. So let's get into this. So this is from a company called FEELOOK. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And it says Sparkle Up Your Life. And this is the canvas that they have sent me. And you can see it's called Halloween Cat. It is a 74 by 58 centimeter. The design size is a 66 by 50 centimeter. And it is a round. So I think it's pretty neat that they put on there the design size also. Because a lot of these companies just put the overall measurements, but not the actual true measurements. So on the back here you've got a how it works, and it's just a step-by-step on how to diamond paint. It also has your kit contents, and then here it just tells you, you know, how to store it and all that stuff. But I really like the box. I think it's a very pretty box. So, and there's nothing on the end except for their company name. Alright. And let me... Here is my box cutter. I have no idea what happened to my box cutter. I had like 3 or 4 of them. I don't know where they've gotten off to. So I'm having to use these craft knives. Alright. So let's get into this. Oh my goodness. Maybe that got it. Okay, so this company started back in 1998. Because I did a little slight bit of research on it. Well, actually, I just took and went through their website and, you know, read about them and everything. Because I was wondering, you know, what kind of company they were. And they do have a 20% off sale going on right now. It's a summer sale. And they've got 20 years experience, okay? And they have got 40 plus in-house designers. The like I said, the company has been around since 1998. I guess you could say that's when they started their company. Oh, I'm having issues. Let me get this rounded over so I can get it flattened out a little bit. Now, it did say that they verify all their images to make sure that they are free of copyrights and of any copyright restrictions or infringements. So I thought that was pretty cool. So this is the image. Okay. And we're just going to let this relax just a little bit. So here's their drills, and we will look at these here in just a second, but they are in a train. So, and it comes with your instructions, their story, and it says, okay, they use high precision soft fabric. It is poured glue. They give you 15 to 25% more drills than you actually need. It says complete colorful printing, pure diamond color, and they are green, healthy, and environmentally friendly. So that's pretty nice to know. All right, let's go ahead and look in their toolkit and see what this looks like. I do like their bag, and it's branded. So that's pretty cool. All right, so looks like they're going to give us some of these stickers that you can put on your containers when you kit up. And there's only 39 colors in this, and the stickers go to 50, so you're going to have some extras, which is fine. I mean, we always need stickers. Comes with the little white tray with the spout. Comes with, oh, there it is. I was like, it gave me a squishy, but no pen. Comes with just your single placer pen. Has the little squishy comfort grip thingamabob. Comes with the good placers. This is a 4-placer, but these are the good white thin ones. So you get that. You're going to get some metal crooked pointy tweezers. You know, I have been diamond painting since 2019, and I still cannot use tweezers. Get 2 heart-shaped wax and a whole bunch of bags. So that's pretty good. That's a decent toolkit. So I'm just going to stick all this stuff back in here. And I do want to thank them for allowing me to do a review on their products. That's very nice of them. So I do appreciate that. Alright, we're in there good enough. Alright, so before we look at the drills, let's just look at the canvas. So I'll just bring y'all down some. It is a soft backing. Almost feels like felt, but I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is soft, and it is scalloped, and got the little pokey holes in it. I can't remember what surged, so that it doesn't fray. And then on the top left, we have got a large legend, and it goes 1 to 39, and it's just a mix. It's a mix of numbers, symbols, and letters. And then it has a DMC chart, or a DMC colors on here. So you've got a key on the top left, bottom right. They have their logo up here on the top. The FEELOOK, I don't know. Sparkle up your life. Alright, and then down here on the bottom, you've got a picture of the design. You've got the item number for the canvas. You've got the name of the kit, which is Halloween Cat. Then you've got your size on your design and your fabric. And then over here, they just have just a little bit of info. So, and I did notice while I was raising that up that they have got just a line, just a border, just a very thin border around. Can you see that? That border. So you really don't need any washi tape unless you just want to decorate it. Alright, so let's go ahead, before we inspect this, let's go ahead and look at the drills real quick. So on the bag of drills, it does have the canvas item number on here. You can see. So you'll know that this bag of drills goes to this canvas. But I always write on the bag, you know, the size, and I'll put, you know, like Halloween Cat, since that's the name of it. I'll write it on there because I do store my drills away from my canvas. So it looks like there's some really good drills. And again, these are acrylic. But I'm not seeing any static. Well, no, I don't think that's static. No, because there's holes punched in the bag. But they are very pretty colors. A tad of those green ones. Okay. And you got these. I was kind of looking to see if maybe they had any ABs or anything, but I'm not seeing them unless I just overlooked them. But I don't see any. But you could add your own. Yeah, no ABs. But there are plenty of places on here that you could add ABs, which we will look at here in just a second. Well, you know what? I'm going to pause, put these back in their bag. Okay. I didn't think I was ever going to get them back in the bag. They never go back in the way they come out. Okay, so these do not have any ABs, but you can see there are so many areas that you could add some ABs, some crystals, some glow in the dark, all kinds of areas. And I'll bring you down a little bit, and you can see that everything looks pretty clear. They've got the darker symbols on the light and the light on the dark, so that's good. And it's pretty sticky. I mean, I felt that a while ago, but I think it's pretty nice. And this company, FEELOOK, anyway, they have got several images to choose from. So you can go check them out. I will, of course, leave a link to this one in my description box. And right now they're doing free shipping for orders $75 or more. And again, they are having a 20% off sale. And like I said, they have got all kinds of different images, tools, you know, accessories, stuff like that. So definitely go check this company out. So I just really like it. I mean, you got your Halloween cats right here with the witch's hat on. You got candles. You got a book. You got some different lights, butterflies. I like that one. You got a bookshelf over here with books. Looks like you got a tree right here with the leaves. You got a jar of something. Or is that, no, that's not a jar. That's a glass. I can't think of the word. So what do y'all think? Drop me a comment and let me know what you think. And has anyone bought anything from this company? Because like I said, this is new. This is a new company to me. So, you know, I don't know much about it other than what I've just told you. Now, it did take about 2 weeks, I guess, to get this to me. Plus, you know, we had a holiday, so that was a 3-day weekend. So, if you don't count weekends, you know, it's not bad timing. So, alright, y'all. Well, that's all I got for you. And I do hope you go check this company out. Again, it is called FEELOOK. So yeah, y'all go check this out because this is really a nice canvas. And let me know what y'all think. Alright, so I guess I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.